Okay guys, another quick video. Today we are going to be discussing how to deny or block public access to your S3 buckets. So there's basically two ways to achieve this. The first way or first level is at the account level. So if we go into our S3, so we're in S3, and then if we go to right here, block public access settings for this account, and then if we hit edit, so basically what this is going to do is any buckets that get created under this particular account, they're going to be automatically denied public access by default. So if I click this box here, and then if I hit if I do save changes, it's going to ask me to confirm it, and then it's telling me, hey, you're going to apply this one setting to 20 of your buckets, but since I have some stuff going on in the background there, I don't actually want to do this. So I'm gonna back this out. But if you did want to enable public access block on your account, this is where you would do that at. So I'm gonna hit cancel, and then the next place is actually at the bucket level itself. So let's explore that. So you'll see it, like I said, I have about 20 buckets in here, and I only have one bucket that is explicitly set to public access. So let's go take a look at this guy. So within here, I only have two objects. I have an error page and then an index page. So this is basically just a quick static website, if you will. I wouldn't even call that a web page that I have posted here, just exploring what my options are here in S3. So basically, let's take a look at this guy. So if I go paste, all right, this is my public index.html page hosted on my S3 bucket. Okay, so if I wanted to deny access to this bucket from the public, I would go in back to my bucket here. So not at the object level, but at the bucket level itself. And you can see here it says publicly accessible. So I would go to permissions, and I will go to edit. So edit block public access, and then you get basically the same dialog as you got at the account level, but this is just on the bucket level itself. So if I do save changes, it's going to ask me to confirm, obviously. All right, confirm. All right, so that change has been made. So how do I know that that actually did its job? If I go back to my site here, or my page, same thing, it no longer works. Basically get access denied. That's because this is me viewing the website as if I were in the public domain. And to reverse this, I'll just go back in, go to my permissions tab again on that bucket, hit edit, uncheck that box, and then it's going to prompt me to confirm again. So basically this is telling us, yes, I realize what I'm doing here. I do want to make this particular bucket public. This is from my point of view, this is kind of a CYA thing. Just, you know, recognize what you're doing. That's basically what this is telling you. So I'm going to hit confirm. And then as you can see, public accessible is back displayed here. And then if I go back and refresh my page, my bucket is accessible again. So just a quick review, how you can lock down your S3 buckets. The first way is at the account level itself, and that was this guy here. So coming in here and turning that on. And then the other level was at the actual bucket itself. And then let's come into my bucket and then go into the permissions tab and then turning that on here. So that's it. Thank you for watching.